Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can download older version of Capcut on your PC. So right now I have the latest version of Capcut on my PC, and if you want any older versions, it's very simple. First up, what you need to do, you just need to completely uninstall the older, newest version. So I'm on version 8.2, as you can see. So if you wanna get the older version, just simply go to your settings and then uninstall, just like uninstall apps and features. Right over here, you just gotta find CapCut and uninstall it. Once you uninstall it, now what you need to do is to simply go to up to down, and it is a very good source to download older files of CapCut. So right over here, you just gotta go down, and right over here you'll see all the versions that you need. So let's say you need the version 5.3.0. So if you just press on it right over here, you can just simply download it normally. The uh, option is very easy. You just need to press on download, and it's just going to download normally how you download the other apps. You can just simply install it. And yeah, this is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.